Hey, I'm Sarah, and I was just sent this really nice adjustable storage shelf. It was about 73 inches high, around 3 feet long, and just 17 inches deep. Now they do have a variety of different sizes, so depending on your space, you can get whatever you're wanting. And when I say adjustable, it is super easy to move around. Each one of these are different options to be able to use. So if you want to use it to store groceries, you can do that. If you want to have it right up on the top shelf, easily move everything around, so it doesn't really matter how tall you are, you can use all of this. Was really easy to put together. Each one of these just slides in afterwards, and each shelf can hold about 220 pounds, so that is fantastic that it can do that. Of course, you can put stuff on the bottom, whether you've got big things, line it all up to where you can easily access anything. This can be used in your kitchen, in your shed, woodshed, anywhere that you need to store a lot of things. You've got nice metal through here, and then boards that, like I said, will hold about 220 pounds. This would make a great storage shelf anywhere that you need to store a lot of stuff.